heartbreking.
यहूदियों की चाल कश्मीरियों के खिलाफ जारी है। मैं अभी दरियाई जहलम के बंड पे हूँ, हाजिन जिला है। इसके बाद वुलर आता है और आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ। ये देखिए डेड बॉडीज जा रही है। यही डेड बॉडीज इकट्ठा होकर बहुत ही गंद मचाती है और इसके खिलाफ हमारे एक नौजवान खड़े हुए थे जिनका नाम बिलाल था और उसकी कहानी इसके बाद।
Orphaned at the tender age of 9, Billa never saw life in its beautiful form. For him, it was all about pain and responsibilities greater than his age. Billa keeps collecting plastic and polythene and garbage from the Wular banks and marshy lands, which he finds in abundance for his livelihood. But what's job for him might just be the only hope left for the struggling Wular. For Billa and Wular, it's a symbiotic relationship. Billa, at his own level, is protecting the Wular, and in return, he gets his much-needed earning. Billa finds Wular as helpless as himself and cares for it like his family. Billa's Wular Lake, a World Heritage Wetland Site under the Ramsar Convention Charter of UNESCO. UNESCO serves as the depository for the convention. It is an intergovernmental treaty which provides the framework for international cooperation for the conservation of wetland habitats. Conservation thus becomes obligatory, but Wular Lake is yet to see the light of the day.